បាទសួស្តីសួស្តីបងប្អូនអរគ្នាក៏ដូចជាអ្នកដែលចូលចិត្តរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទថ្ងៃនេះលោកគ្រូសូមបន្តមេរៀនយើងបន្តទៀតបាទមុននឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមបន្តមេរៀនសូមបងប្អូនសូមពិសេសសិស្សានុសិស្សឬក៏មិត្តភ័ក្តិទាំងអស់ជួយ subscribe រួចហើយនិងចុចសញ្ញាកណ្ដឹងណាដើម្បីទទួលបាននៅវីដេអូថ្មីៗផងដែរបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងសិក្សាបន្តទៅទៀតទាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងការអនុវត្តនៅលំហាត់ណាលំហាត់ទាក់ទងទៅនឹងគេសត្វ to be មេរៀនលើកមុនយើងបានសិក្សារួចហើយពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងមេរៀននៃគេសត្វ verb to be ចំណែកឯថ្ងៃនេះគឺយើងបន្តទៀតគឺតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងគេហៅថាការ practice មានការអនុវត្តឬក៏លំហាត់ជាមួយនឹងគេសត្វ to be បាទអញ្ចឹងសូមយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមទាំងអស់គ្នាណាបាទមិនដំបូងបាទដូចយើងឃើញហើយគេថាលំហាត់ទី1គឺគេថា practice so you have to complete the sentences with the positive form of the verb to be ចឹងមានន័យថាគេឲ្យយើងបំពេញណាប្រយោគបាទទាំងឡាយជាមួយនឹងទម្រង់ស្របនៃគេសត្វ to be ណាអញ្ចឹង positive form គឺមានន័យថាទម្រង់ស្របបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងក៏លេខទៅមើលប្រយោគឬក៏ sentence ទាំងអស់ខាងក្រោមនេះបាទដូចទាំងអស់គ្នាបានឃើញហើយគឺមាន9ប្រយោគណា there are 9 sentences so you have to complete this sentence by using the verb to be so let's take a look with the number 1, right? I a policeman. A policeman. So I according to the lesson that we studied at the previous time, so we use with am, right? So we can say I am a policeman. Okay, I am a policeman មានន័យថាម៉េចទៅមានន័យថា I គឺខ្ញុំណា I am គឺជា policeman នេះគឺយើងមកថាជា police ឬក៏police ម្នាក់ណាអញ្ចឹង I am a policeman មានថាខ្ញុំគឺជា police ម្នាក់បាទនឹងទំទី1ណាគឺជាការអនុវត្តទី2ប្រយោគទី2គឺ you a famous singer a famous singer. Okay, so you we use with what everyone? Okay, we use with are, right? We use with are, so we complete with are. Okay, so you are a famous singer បាទមានន័យថាម៉េចបើ you មានន័យថាអ្នក I are គឺជា okay famous យើងnói famous យើងបកថាល្បីណា singer នេះគឺអ្នកចម្រៀងណាអញ្ចឹងមានថាគឺ famous singer មានថាគឺអ្នកចម្រៀងដែលល្បីណាដែលគេស្គាល់អញ្ចឹងsentence number 2 we complete are, right? Okay, take a look with the sentence number 3. We as well, right? So we use with are as well, so we can say we are happy. Okay, យើងប្រើជាមួយ are ណា number 4 they, so they we use with are as well, right? So they are businessmen. Businessmen. Okay, គឺអ្នកជំនួញណាអ្នកជំនួញអញ្ចឹងពួកគេគឺជាអ្នកជំនួញ right? Number 5, okay, as we know he used with is, right? So he is married បាទមានថាគាត់គឺរៀបការហើយណាគាត់បានរៀបការហើយ Okay, and number 6, she is a nurse. She is a nurse. You know, nurse គឺពេទ្យឈ្មោកណាពេទ្យឈ្មោក nurse ឬក៏ហៅថាកលយានុបដ្ឋាយិកាណាហ្នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹង she យើងប្រើជាមួយ is. So it also we use with is, so we can say it is or it is your camera. It is your camera, right? Okay, so and you, but so number 8 and number 9, it is more difficult than number 1 or number 7, because we have the subject you and I. So two subjects, okay, are linked together, are combined together. But it doesn't matter, right? Because you is a one subject and I is another one. So when we plus together, it will be have two subject. Two mean plural. So plural, we can say that plural it look like if we use the pronoun, we can say they. Okay, you and I. So we can use with are here. Right? So we can say you and I are watching TV right now. Okay, so don't confuse with I here with am. No, because we have the two subjects here are linked together by using a conjunction here, right? So here we use with are, right? And James and Faye, okay, and then siblings, yeah? Siblings, right? So here, so what should be completed here? Okay, so M is or are, everyone? Okay, so we have answer number 8, right? And number 9, we have two subjects as well. So James and Faye, so there are two people. So we can, it can substitute by they. So we can use are because they we use with are here. So James and Faye are siblings. Yes, your sibling, បងប្អូនបង្កើត right? បងប្អូនបង្កើត okay, sibling. Okay, here, okay. I post the answer below the sentence, so I hope that everyone can see this answer. Okay, as you can see, you can check the answer here. So number 1 we use with am, and number 2 here we use with are, 3 are, 4 are, number 5 is, okay, number 6 is, and number 7 is, and number 8 are, and number 9 are, right? Okay, so this is the positive form of the verb to be. So everyone, if you have any questions, please ask me or write in comment, right? I will try to reply to you. Okay, so now let's move to a practice number 2. Okay, just wait. Okay, so number 2. Look at number 2. What we are going to do with number 2, right? Complete the sentences below. Okay, so they have to complete the sentence below with the negative form of the verb to be, right? Okay, so now number 1 is number 1. Take a look at number 1. My name, Robert. So my name. So what is the negative form? So my name is referred to it. So it. So here we get it. So we use with is. So we can say my name isn't Robert. So we use with isn't, right? Isn't. Okay. And one more, number 2. Her sister, a student at university. Okay, so now what kind of verb to be should be completed in this blank? Okay, so, her sister. So we use negative. We have not, right? So we can say, so her sister refer to she, right? It means she's the only one, so it's singular. So it can be she here. So See here we use with is, but with negative form. We add not, so we can say isn't. So her sister isn't a student at university. So we complete isn't, right? Okay, sentence practice number 2 and sentence number 2. Okay, so now look at the sentence number 3. Ella and I. There are two subjects. Okay, two subjects. So we plus it together. They become plural. So it can be substituted by subject pronoun they. So they we use with are. So we just have you complete are here, but we use with negative form, so become aren't. So Ella and I aren't from England, right? Okay, Ella and I aren't from England, right? So we use with aren't. Now take a look with another sentence. Is sentence number 4. Okay, his uncle and aunt, okay, living in Phnom Penh. Wow. Okay, so we have two subjects. Okay, so two subjects as I told you, right? It can substitute by they. So they we use with are, but we need us to use a negative form, so we can say are not, or we can say aren't. Okay. And number 5, yes, as well, we can say my favorite. So my favorite food, fish. So favorite food refer to is uncount noun, is a singular, so we use with is, and we use negative form, so it isn't. So we can say my favorite food isn't fish, right? It's not fish, so I don't like fish. Okay. And number 6 as well, right? Karen and Charlie, okay, two people, so we can say are, aren't become are, and not become aren't. Okay, Karen and Charlie, okay, aren't divorced. I mean now they still live together, right? Divorce means stop living together. Okay. And now number 7. Okay, my is the easiest one in exercise in practice. Number 2 and sentence number 7 is my refer to he. Okay, so we can say is in negative isn't, right? So my isn't my best friend, right? My isn't my best friend, right? Okay. And number 8, my parents at their work. My parents at their works. Okay, so my parents refer to father and mother, so two people. So two people, it can replace by they. So they we use with are, but we need to use with a negative form, so we use with aren't. So we can say my parents aren't at their work, right? And number 9, okay, very easy one too, right? And we, so everyone have known. Okay, we use with are, right? But if we need to use in negative form, so we can say aren't. So we aren't staying in a fine hotel, right? This is the practice, or we can say the exercise of negative form with the verb to be. Okay, take a look with. Okay, so if you have everyone, if you have any question about this, okay, you can ask, okay, by writing in a comment below, right? I'll try to reply to you. Okay. Okay, so now we have one more exercise. Okay, it is number 3. Okay, so you have to complete the sentence below, but this time with the question form and the short form answer with the verb to be. Take a look for number 1. Okay, so number 1 is all know he. So how do you complete it? As you have known that in the question form of the verb to be, the used to be okay, before the subject. So he normally we use with is, but we do not say he is. But in question form, we have to say is he. Is he old? Yeah. Is he old? No, he isn't. So it's in negative short answer. We can say isn't, right? No, isn't. Yeah. Sentence number 2. Uh, your sister at home. So your sister refer to she. So she we use with is. So we can say is your sister at home? Yes. A positive answer say yes, she is. Okay, one more. Sentence is number 3. They good people, right? They good people. So they we use with are, so we can say are. Are they good people? Yes, they are. Okay. 4. So we I smart. You. So we can say am first, right? Am I smart? Yes, you are. And number 5. Okay, so here how old, right? When ask the how old, like how old, but the subject is you, so we use with are right here. So the sentence will be, okay, how old are you? How old are you? Okay, so here we complete are, but here we can complete with I, we use with am, right? How old are you? I'm 12 years old, right? As number 6, what your mother's doing right now? Okay, so your mother is able to see, so see we use with is, right? So what is your mother doing right now? Okay, the answer. Okay, she's cooking her meal. So number 6 is number 5 and number 6 is not a short answer. Okay, it's because of the question here with the question word, right? So I will talk in the next video about the verb to be that we use with the question words. Okay, so one more is number 7, okay, where your father. Okay, where your father, so we can complete with your father refer to it can replace by the subject pronoun he. So he we use with is, so we can say where is your father? Okay, so you can answer he is at the park, right? And number 8, okay, the easy one is how are you? So we use with are. So how are you, right? And then the answer am. Okay, am I, we use with am, so we can say am not too bad. I'm not too bad, right? And locate the answer right here. If you can say here number 1, we can say the first we complete is, and then isn't. Then here isn't. Number 2 is, and then is the same, right? Is, and number 3, okay, are, and number 4, am, are, and number 5, are, and then number 5 are, okay, are, but I have one more, right? So sorry for my mistake. So are, number 5 are, and am, right? I forgot to write am. And number 6, okay, number 6 is, and is, okay, and number 7 is, and number 8, we should be complete are and am, right? Okay, so uh, according to the time, so we have to finish our practice today. So if you have any question, okay, you can ask by writing in the comment below. Okay, so thank you so much.